partnership with Battersea Power Station. Are you ready? You can be louder than that, Battersea. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to do a countdown this year, and we're going to go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, like my broken to the masses, writing my poems for the fool that look at me, let me sing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my blessing, from the pain, being the beauty of the
the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to. See the light as it turns on the sea, it's blinding. don't let me lose. Still falling for you, still falling for you. It took us a while, with every breath a new day, with over the line. We've had our share of mistakes, but all your flaws and scars are mine. Still falling for you, still falling for you. And just like
close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care if they call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I am bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams of the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. We may be right, we may be wrong, but I wanna bring you along to the world I see, to the world we close our eyes to see. We close our eyes. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, that hopper in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving it so phenomenally. You're on like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting too close. When we move, well, you already know. So just
to find that can never be found. By the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky, keeps great and small on the endless round.
Wow. Safe to say, we had the biggest firework in London. Battersea Park, make some noise! So we hope you've enjoyed the biggest bang in London tonight. Wandsworth Council would like to wish you a very safe journey home. A massive thanks to our partner Battersea Power Station tonight. Remember, if you have tickets for the after party, do not leave the park. I repeat, do not leave the park. Please ask a steward in a high-vis jacket for directions. It's a very short walk, and Norman J is just